Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the most amazing stunt ever created. For tonight, for one night only, we're gonna draw the great dangerbird, the greatest stunt chicken of all time.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all it was.
Consider it a gift. For tonight, we're gonna draw one of Kirby Bucket's greatest creations. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? Where it's covered in all the color lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Colossal, we come, these renegades in the ring. Where the lost get found, every crown of the circus king. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. It's blinding, outshining anything that you know. Just surrender, cause you're coming and you wanna go. Where it's covered in all the color lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, intoxicating you. You want to know something about Kirby Buckets? Well, he was the one who inspired me to start my art career in the first place.
It's the 50 you ever want. It's the 50 you ever need. Right here, right in front of you. This is where you wanna be. It's the 50 you ever want. It's the 50 you ever need. Right here, right in front of you. This is where you wanna be. This is where you wanna be. Where it's covered in all the
And complete. There we go. That's how you draw Dangerbird. Master designers out there. And Kirby, Eli, Fish. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I promise I'll be drawing more of your greatest characters on the just for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Good night.